Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
A very warm welcome in the fourth module of week 4 of the course Roadmap for Patent Creation, titled Public Patent Databases. In previous 3 modules, we have gone through the IP identification tool, patentability tool and the IP audit framework. In this module, we will share the information about the public patent databases. Now, you will say, if it is a public patent databases, then there must be some private patent databases. Yes, what you guessed is right. Only thing is, these databases are called as a paid databases. So, there are 2 main types of databases as free patent databases, which are available free, and paid databases for which anyone has to pay certain subscription fee, and then only you can get the access. So, here we will concentrate only on the free databases which are available. So, which are various patent databases freely available? There are many free patent databases available. We will check out very few patent databases in this module, as IP India, that is the Indian Patent Office site, then USPTO site, it is on the given by the USA government, that is a US Patent Trademark Office, then Canada, that is a SIPO, Japan, that is JPO, then Europe, it gives a eSpaceNet site, and then the WIPO, that is a patent scope database. Before starting the details about these databases, let us first check what is the meaning of a database. Many times in routine also you listen this term in many contexts, like a railway timing database, Mumbai local train database or student database, participant database and so on. What idea you get through this? We can understand that it is the details related to that particular thing. For example, when we say student database, then it may be college student database or any activity related to students, and related to that the database is hosted. The information in such database may include name, age, gender, email, phone number, etc. So, with this example, you can understand that database generally contain some information related to that particular set under consideration. This database acts as a useful information for various activities, or sometimes it becomes a very rich source of information and can be exploited for various business activities. You can also consider the databases which might be created through, just think of these examples, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram and so on. So, lot of information is stored on these sites. So, it can be, you can just consider this as an example of a database, and the information which is stored there can be used for various activities. Okay. After getting this general information, you can guess now that what information you might get related to patents when we are talking about a patent database. So, patent database will focus on the information related to patent. We already know there are more than 100 million patent documents available. Now, what information related to patent can be useful? Just check. We have seen the bibliographic information, we have seen the parts of the patent document. So, you can just think of that different parts or the bibliographic information can be the best, what we can say, the information which you can utilize for the some or the other activities. Now, there are so many fields, and is very interesting that to know which different, what we can say, the fields you can use for the business analytics or for the patent analytics. As in one of the earlier modules, we have already seen the patent analytics or a PAT informatics. So, there you know how the patent information is very useful. Now, there what exactly is done, that patent analytics, in that you are retrieving the patent from these databases. So, either free database or a public database. You are just retrieving that patents from these databases, and then you are doing the or applying the different parameters to analyze that data. You get various information about patent as date of filing, priority date, date of publication, date of PCT filing, date of grant of that patent, who is the inventor, who is the assignee, what is the IPC classification, what is the CPC, cooperative patent classification, and so on. So, you get pretty well idea about what might be the patent databases. Now, what dictionary says about a database, that is say a Cambridge dictionary meaning of a database, we just see this definition. Database is a large amount of information stored in a computer system in such a way that it can be easily looked at or changed. So, it is the large amount of information, it can be looked at and it can be changed. So, these three things are mentioned as a characteristic of the database. So, now we will check the various databases. You can see if these three criteria are applied there. So, let us start with the Indian Patent Office IP India site. So, you can just type in browsing window as a IP India and can get, or you can go to the site, that is www.ipindia.nic.in. This site is hosted by Office of Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks. So, here along with patent you get information about industrial designs, trademarks, GI, etc. This site gives much information about IPR related things. So, you can get acts related to the IP, or any manuals are there, or some related information to the IP is hosted on this site. Here we will concentrate only on a patent. Here you can see the titles as a comprehensive e-filing, then public search, dynamic utilities, etc. So, you can click on the comprehensive e-filing. This will take you to the next page where you can see comprehensive e-filing, dynamic utilities, public search and a status. Now, here you can go to the public search. This will take you to the next window. Here you will see the titles as a patent search, patent register, application status, help, etc. Now, you can check a patent search. In this window, you will find the information as a publication type, published or a granted, and then various fields you observe as a application date, title, abstract, complete specification, application number, applicant name and all these things. Now, you can choose any keyword related to your search and put in the space provided against these titles. Then enter the CAPTCHA and it will take you to the next window where the related information will be displayed. Now, what I will suggest you here to take a pause and to do a small activity. Think of any keyword related to your area of interest. Open the IP India site and go to the patent search. Here in the patent search, choose either published or granted as per your wish, and then against the title or abstract put the keywords, and then check if relevant patent documents are displayed. So, I take a pause here and you can just go through that. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the activity and also received the relevant patents against your keywords. Now, let us check the next patent database, eSpaceNet. So, you can type in browsing window eSpaceNet and go to this window which is shown here. Here you get three categories. You can see the three words written here: smart search, advanced search and a classification search. Now, just when you click on the classification search, you will see this window. Then the complete details of a CPC are shown here. Based on your interested domain, you can further click on the section. For example, if you are interested in chemistry, you just click on C and then you can check further details in the classification. Now again, come back to the main window and click on the advanced search. Here you will get the advanced search window. Now what exactly advanced search window shows? It shows the menus like or the titles like first the title, then there is a title or abstract, then publication number, then application number, then there is inventor, then assignee, then IPC is there. So you can just check that whatever the titles are given in that window. Now you can put the information against any of this field to retrieve the relevant patents. So for example, if you put the keyword in a title or abstract, then your relevant patents related to that keyword will be retrieved from this search. Now what you can do now, do the next activity, that use the same keywords which you have used for the when you are browsing the IP India site. Put these keywords in a relevant field by clicking on the advanced search, and then check the click on the search and check what exactly you retrieve, whether the patents which you have retrieved from IP India site and the patents which you will retrieve from eSpace India eSpaceNet site are same, or there is addition or there is a deletion. You can check this. So here I take a pause. Great. So now moving further, let us explore the next patent database, that is a USPTO, that is a USA Patent and Trademark Office site. You can type USPTO on the browsing window and you can get access to the USPTO site, that is a that US Patent and Trademark Office site. Now click on the patents here. Now here you will get a various headings. In this, click on the search for patents. Here you will get so many options as a USPTO, that is a patent full text, then patent application full text, then there is patent application information retrieval, search facility, then official gazette, then search published sequences and so on. So much information is stored here under different categories. Now I will suggest you to choose say USPTO patent full text and the image database, and then you can check from various options like a quick search, advanced search and a patent number search. Just check this search. In that you click on the advanced search. So you can use some keywords used earlier and try to find out the patents in this area from the USPTO site. So here again I will take a pause. Okay, so till now we have browsed through the three main patent office sites, that is a IP India site, eSpaceNet and the USPTO. What you have done exactly here? That you have used same keywords and tried to retrieve patents from all these three sites. Now next we will check the Japan Patent Office site. Now here you can type in browsing window to get this, to go on to this site. In the browsing window you have to just type Japan Patent Office and it will take you to the Japanese Patent Office site. On the right side, please locate a quick links. Under that title you will see various boxes. In that, click on the first box. This will take you to the site. Now there are various options as a number search, classification search or a text search, then simple classification. Then here you can click on the classification search on the text search, and then you can use same keywords and do the search. So again Now you are using the same keywords whatever you have used for earlier 3 patent office, whenever you are using that retrieval of the patents from that 3 other sites, use same keywords and check if you are getting the same result from the Japanese patent office site. Okay? I take a pause here. Okay. Now we will visit the Canadian Patent Office site. So in the browsing window, just type a Canadian Patent Office, you will go to this Canadian Patent Office site. Now you can click here on the patents. Then on the right side you will see it is written there as a search patent documents. Click on that. It will take you to the next window, where you will see various options, such as it will start with a big like a bold title like a Canadian Patent Database, and then it will give you introduction, then green technologies, and then it will give you the search options. That search options again contain a various things as a basic search, then number search, Boolean search, advanced search, then help, and then there are few things below help, and then FAQ and disclaimer. This thing you will observe. Now you can choose advanced search, and using the same keywords you can check what different patent documents you can retrieve from Canadian patent site. So I take a pause here so that you can browse through the Canadian Patent Office. Okay. So now we have visited 5 different sites. Okay. IP India, then eSpaceNet, USPTO, Japanese Patent Office, Canadian Patent Office. You have used same keywords and done the same exercise following the directions or the keyword whatever the titles are provided on these sites, and tried to retrieve the patents. After retrieving, you can just see the difference in the outcome of this activity from each site. So from IP India you may get a few patents, from eSpaceNet you may get a what we can say major number of patents, then from USPTO you will get some patents, from Japanese patent site you will get some patents, and then from the Canadian Patent Office you will get some patents. Now we will just check that what about the WIPO, whether WIPO is providing any such database. So you just check this. I will play this video and you will get idea about what exactly WIPO patent database is. Okay, so this was a patent scope. To go to patent scope site, in the browsing window you have to just type a patent scope, and then you will go on to the site, and again the same you will see the titles as if whatever you have seen in the eSpaceNet or in the USPTO, you are getting some titles, advanced search or quick search. So, here you will get a field of search, and there you will get options like advanced search, and then accordingly you can search the patent documents in patent scope. So, again you can do the same activity with the patent scope also. So, all thanks to the ICT. Because of that, sitting in the home we can get access to such a huge information about the patent. Okay. So, now we will say that you always say that Google is always providing so many things. So, Google Scholar provides the research papers. So, whether Google is providing patents, there is a site, specific site Google is hosting, that is a Google patent, and this is a special platform where you can retrieve the patents from that Google patent site. Okay. So, you can we have just given you the information about a very few patent databases. You can, there are every country have a patent office, and that patent office have their own database. So, if you want to browse through the various free patent databases available, you can visit the patent office site of that country, and then you just check the patent database and you can try to retrieve that. But out of this you will say that okay, which you will rely more. So, you can say that you can just what we can say, if you are want to do a prior art search, we will suggest that you can browse through all this, but maybe you can go to the eSpaceNet database, because it is hosting the patent documents from all over the world. Or if you want to search or check only for that specific country, any patent related information for that specific country, then you have to visit the particular country related that patent office database, so that you can get the specific information related to that particular territory. Now, with this we come to the end of this session on that free public patent databases. There are paid public databases, but we have not covered anything about that here. See you in the next session. Thank you.